Hi there. Welcome back for day 21 of our 30 days of PCOS and yoga. Today we are doing side angle, which is actually going to capitalize on the foot placement that we learned in Warrior 2 yesterday. So we're building on that. The way it's different than Warrior 2 though is that it really provides this opportunity to stretch your side, and it creates this feeling of a grounded bottom that allows for a freedom on top. So because your roots are so well cemented, there's a lot of freedom up there in the upper body, and you get to experience that in this pose. So I hope you enjoyed. Clearly I enjoy it. Can you tell by the way I'm talking about it? Roll out your mat and let's get started with side angle.
Come to the center of your mat and turn so that you are facing the long front edge of your mat. Spread your legs wide with your toes facing towards the long edge of your mat. Turn your right foot so that your toes are facing the front short edge of your mat. Place your hands on your hips. Bend your right knee so that it's stacked almost directly over your ankle. Notice how it feels if it's placed too far behind your ankle or too far in front of your ankle, and find that place in the middle that feels just right to you. Extend your arms out into a T so that your hands are in line with your shoulders. Place your right forearm onto your right thigh. Inhale as you bring your left arm up alongside your ear and bend over to the side, thinking that you are creating a long, straight, diagonal line from your fingertips of your left hand all the way down to the foot on the floor, the left foot on the floor. Come back up through Warrior 2, did this yesterday, and straighten your right leg. Turn your right toes so they're facing the long edge of your mat once again. Place your hands on your hips, and let's switch sides. Turn your left foot so that your left toes are facing the short back edge of your mat. Bend your left knee, and again, find that sweet spot, that spot that's just right for your knee over your ankle. Extend your arms out into a T. Place your left forearm onto your left thigh. Inhale as you raise your right arm alongside your ear and stretch over to the side. Again, you're thinking of creating one long straight line from fingertip to floor. Come back up through Warrior 2. Straighten your left knee. Turn your toes and heel toe your feet in so that you're standing. See you tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and share, and subscribe. That way you'll know when I have new videos out, and you can also watch this playlist here or this video down here.